Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can reopen Instagram photo message. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is simply go ahead, access this Instagram app of yours, and right over here, let's go to our message section on top. And let's say these are the text messages that you have right over here, right? So let's go ahead, open up one conversation. So let's say for this person has sent me a video right over there. It can be a photo message as well, but if I tap on it now, I won't be able to access any of this video again or the photo messages of by that person because it was gone. So for example, they have gone to this camera, simply had created a picture, and now here in this section you can see this allow replay option. If they have simply turned this view once, then you will open it once and then it will be gone. If they have added this allow replay and have tapped on this send option and sent you the photo message, then you will be able to again reopen it. But if it's only view once, when you receive the message, make sure that then you won't be able to reopen it again. Make sure the message has been sent this way and you will be able to replay it again. That is the only way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.